Hello guys, so today we'll be solving the second problem, fallout of Ethernaut, and it's pretty straightforward, I guess. We need to claim ownership of this contract, and they have said that we should know solidity limits IDE, which I don't think is necessary. So when you look at this code, they have used safe math and they're using mappings. But when you see this function, which is fallout, you have to pay this function and it will make you the owner. It's as simple as that. I have generated a new instance, and all I need to go is go in my console and type await contract uh, and in the like curly braces I have to specify the value. So value, it can be any value they have not mentioned, and uh, says this transaction to delete it. As simple as that.